The animal world. The Ibex.
Read and presented by George Pitropogiannakis.
The Ibex is a wild goat. He lives high up in the mountains of Europe and Asia. The Ibex stands 40 inches high at the shoulders. The male Ibex in Europe has horns that are about 30 inches long. Ibexes in Asia have horns that are even longer. Female Ibexes graze with their young, while the males graze in another herd. Each herd has a guard who watches for danger. A sudden leap by the guard will warn the herd, and they will race back up the mountainside. Almost as soon as a baby Ibex is born, he can follow his mother up steep mountainsides. The animal world. The Ibex.
Read and presented by George Pitropogiannakis.